My friends, it's Running Kimono, and we're going to talk about some curbside deals. And we're going to talk about how to put these orders in and how to get a lot of this stuff for free, really, really cheap. We're not doing anything with register rewards because they do not print both ways in store and with curbside, but specifically with curbside, they don't. And like, what is a curbside pickup for the newbies out there? Basically, through your phone or through a desktop computer, see on the left hand side where it says pickup and it's in blue? That's what you're going to click, meaning you drive to the store and they either physically bring it out to you or you go to the photo desk and say, "Hi, my order's here." And then they'll be like, "Oh, Mrs. Smith, 1 second." And then they provide your order. So you order the stuff through the app or the phone, and it's pretty easy. So again, here's the thing: curbside. It's an online order. You drive to the store, go to the photo department, or drive to the curbside, and they bring out the bag of goodies. No more register rewards with curbside. Win, lose, or draw. That is done. And yes, you can earn points with these orders. However, the points will show up in your account. It's either an hour to 3 days out. So they do take their sweet time for these points to post. So we're going to look at a bunch of different deals. The first one, so if you have questions, just write deal number 1. Very straightforward. We're going to go for 2 of these Dove hand soaps, and they are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So BOGO 50% for 2 of these is $7.48. Now, here's something interesting. This 7 off 2 digital coupon is in fact attaching to that hand soap. So loaded. How wonderful is that? Now, to get our basket right to $10, because you need a minimum of 10 buckos to do a curbside pickup, we're going to grab 2 tubes of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $3.99. The promotion for this is buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash, plus we have a 4 off of 2 digital. It makes this toothpaste completely free. And this is the digital coupon that you need loaded. And most stores have the toothpaste. Okay, guys, so very quickly here, just to show you, the digital coupons are applying: the 7 off of 2 for the Dove and the 4 off of 2 for the Colgate. I could not get a promotion code to apply. It's the bane of my problems. I never can get that thing to apply. But still, I have my $11 of digital coupons right there. So that's a little something called not too shabby. So to look at the overall basket, my total was $15.46. I'm going there as a curbside pickup, so my pickup is free. I got my Michigan tax there, plus my $11 of digital manufacturers right there. See, negative 11. So my new total of what I have to pay is $5.39. But since this is a coupon channel, I think we can do better than that. So on your payment page at the very top, right above where you put in your MasterCard or debit, I can use up to $5 of Walgreens cash if you have it on your account. And for this specific one, because I'm getting $4 back for the Colgate, yes, I am opting for that $5 of Walgreens cash. So magically, let's look at this again. And I'm paying 39 cents with my debit card. So that's kind of awesome. And my estimation of Walgreens cash back is $4.04. So basically like $1 for all this magic. I can do that all day and every day. You're basically paying for the tax. This is a very super deal. And again, just to preface, when this Walgreens cash will post, it's anywhere between an hour to 3 days later. I know. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, so deal number 2, we're going to throw in a couple of these Mother's Day cards for $1. So Mother's Day is celebrated, in May? So let's get on top of this holiday. They're $1 each. Now, kind of limited in patterns for the Mother's Day cards, but as you can see, we have 3 in our little basket at $3. These digital coupons, we have this $1 off. Make sure you have it loaded, and there's a whole host of them. But see, it says minimum purchase of $1. So you are in the clear to use this, as your card is exactly $1. And the second digital we're going with is 2 off of 2 and a minimum purchase of $2, but you're buying $3 of cards. So this coupon will attach for you. Now, as we're really limited this week, we're going to have to throw in 2 old-fashioned toothpaste. So 2 of these guys, please don't hate me for that if you hate buying toothpaste. And then we need this digital coupon loaded for the toothpaste as well. So just kind of a different augmentation of the last basket, but we're throwing in some of those Mother's Day Hallmark cards. Okay, so now just looking like, are the coupons going to attach? And here it all is. There's also a 2 off of 1 for the Hallmark, and I think that one applied for me. But you could see $2, $1, and $4. The coupons are there. And then, so my subtotal was $10.98. I'm going to the store to pick this up as a curbside pickup. There's my Michigan tax. And then I have $7 of digitals that just melted off. So my new total here is $4.64. So at the payment page, what I'm going to do is opt to use $4 of Walgreens cash. And I'm going to pay 64 cents. And as the Colgate deal is a buy deal, yes, I can use Walgreens cash to earn it. So I'm going to pay 64 cents and then get back $4 in Walgreens cash for the purchase of that toothpaste. And just to show you guys, here's the estimate. And once you go and pick that up in the store, it could be as soon as an hour, or it could be up to 3 days before this posts. Obviously, keep your receipts, keep your notes in case something goofy happens. It's been weird over there, but there it is. Okay, the last deal that we have, this is the non-toothpaste deal. We're going to grab one of these Scott's toilet papers. Hopefully your store has them in stock. They are $5 a piece, and we have 2 digital coupons that are applying for this. So just to show you, if you used these before in the last week or 2, you can't use them a second time, just to note that, especially the IVC. That's a 1 digital per account. So we have $1 manufacturer for the Scott's toilet paper, and then $1.25 for either the paper towel or the toilet paper. I'm stocking up on toilet paper this week. I don't know about you guys. So the next item that we're going to grab to smooth this basket out to the $10 mark is 2 of these Shea Moisture. It's like a bar soap, and they're $4.19 on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. So if you love this company, this is a really, some extra savings right there. Now we have a $3 digital plus a 6 off of 2, and the 6 off of 2 is in fact applying for this. So, for a product on BOGO 50% off, with this, you're paying very little for this natural bar soap, if that is your thing. So a little bit of fanciness here on a Monday. So just looking at this, guys, the coupons are coming off. We have the $1 digital for the Scott, the 6 off of 2 for the Shea Moisture, and then the $1.25 IVC coupon. And again, I didn't enter a promotion code because nothing was working for me this morning, being fully transparent. And my basket was $11.28. IVC is a promotion. Free pickup as I'm going to drive to the store and grab this basket. There's my tax. $7 in manufacturer. So my new total is $3.63. I'll just use $3 in Walgreens cash and pay 63 cents. Unfortunately, there's nothing back for this. However, that Scott, photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will get something back for that, along with the Dove hand soap as well and the Colgate. Looking at all this magic, you're paying 63 cents. I think this is a super, super smart use of some Walgreens cash to get a basket of magic on the cheap. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.